job.
By the way, I just asked if I could buy the ones from Speedway that were under their roller glizzies.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Might be a channel, might be flat. Go as far right as you can read. Guessing flathead.
feels like it.
Is it rolling or pulling?
It's rolling.
Okay, it might be a channel.
Pulling all my line.
That thing's pretty strong for a channel. Not gonna say one way or another, but thing's pretty strong for a channel.
Real left-handed.
You're doing good.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's funny.
What I do like is that it didn't yank the rod; it just dropped it. That's usually flathead.
I just turned around. I
Don't roll
missed
on the
it.
surface either. I could go either way. You want to step around me to the right here, actually? If that's a channel, it is like 20 pounds. That would be a big channel, the way that thing's pulling. Could be on the surface just because it's so shallow. Just go as far right as you can, and if it goes under, just put your rod way low. Way low. Run to the back. Run to the back. No, other side, other way. Come this way. Reel, reel, reel. Oh shit, you're wrapped on the rod. Bring me your rod. I don't want to get caught on an anchor rope. Bring me your rod. Reel, reel, reel. Run to the back. Go as far back as you can. I got an anchor down.
It's on the rope.
I just don't want it to be.
It's a big fucking fish.
Go all the way to the back. It's a huge flathead. Oh, he's on a stick. Go as far left as you can. There you go. Yep. Go to the right. Keep him up high. Huge flathead. 25 pounder at least.
Nice.
This isn't as fun as getting pulled around in the kayak.
Oh yeah. Go to the right. Giant flathead.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Keep going right. Yep. Reel all the way down almost to that sinker. And then lift gently. Got him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Nice. Ching.
That didn't take that long.
No.
Dude, that's a hammer. You wait till this thing's in the boat. It's so heavy. That is a full-grown flathead.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Master angler.
Oh, can we get some measurements on? Yeah. I need to take pictures for this competition I'm in.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Any guesses? I'm gonna go
30 pounds.
Yeah, I'm gonna go high 20s, low 30s, somewhere in there.
Yeah, that seems about right. 28 to 32.
Need some man hands in there.
I'm at the wrong angle.
You just like he's a man and then popped
I clearly loosened it for you.
Yeah, you did. You did. We caught them all, sorry. because I haven't figured out a good way to do it with a foot like we're used to.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I just do it this way.
I've been around a lot. It's definitely all of 29 and a half.
29.74.
Yep.
Yep. So right on.
Dude, the one I caught the other day was 25 pounds, and this is way bigger.
You want to put your tape along the edge, maybe?
It's a 40-inch.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Now just get out of the credit card.
Oh, I don't know how that got there.
This thing is a tank.
Easy.
Just dump it in the water. They're pretty much impossible to hurt, to be honest with you. It's gonna kick off like it was never out of the water. Give him a second.
Thinking about it.
He's on the bottom.
Well, I suppose
I
the
see
water
him.
is pretty hot. He'll definitely be
He's moving now.
totally fine.
Yeah, he just rolled and
Dude,
threw him
I've
off.
seen people.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the right kind.
Come on, Tap.
Tap. Far out this way as you can reach.
Oh, the handle just fell off. Did it?
The little rubber piece.
I think that was the right flavor again.
That's another nice one.
Taste the goodness.
I'll get up front so I'm out of the way.
Yeah, no worries. Channel. Big channel.
Oh yeah.
We're a multi-species boat. That's kind of what we do.
Oh, he jumped out of the net. That was epic.
That's a hell of a channel, too.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
good one.
that's a solid one.
You ate it like a good boy.
Now I gotta get in your picture and photobomb metal hands in the background.
yeah. Tradition. Decent channel cat there.
1 second. Oh, here's do it. Showed it to the camera.
Ooh. Straight swimming.
He did better than mine.
Oh, yeah.
Already?
Oh,
Come back for you, Thor. Did you see that?
I saw the tail end of it.
I saw it, yeah.
I was too busy checking
That
out
was
the Facebook.
definitely a catfish. It bent that rod like halfway long.
There it goes
There
again.
it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just a tad bit of slack to play with.
You holding it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Yeah, that was sick.
Channel?
Or a bowfin or something. Go low and right.
Pretty heavy.
Is it? Did it just get bigger?
It's not like the one earlier.
Did it go
I'm not on it anymore.
Really?
Oh wait, yeah.
Yeah, it
I
is.
was gonna say. Don't say.
False.
What the heck is that? Want to grab your rod? I don't think so. Little channel.
Looked marbled like a flat.
Hey.
Oh, it's got a fork tail.
Little guy.
Yep. That's
It's a
about
guy though.
It's about as small as they get.
Right.
What else is it?
I've caught a few like 4 to 6 inch channels before. but-
Well, yeah, I mean, if you fish them with
pretty rare.
worms, you catch them. But like
Yeah.
doing this, we don't catch them smaller than this very often.
Yeah.
A bite is a bite, though.
Mm-hmm.
I will never complain about action. That one might hurt.
Flappy, flappy.
Sorry.
Dude, not cool.
How dare you throw fish in the water?
Extra one.
Be better.
Oh yeah. Yep, yep. I'm reeling in.
Maybe, probably channel, to be honest.
Of course.
You might want to rush the. Just,
Rush. Modern day warrior, mean friend.
I was trying to think which one.
you thinking channel?
That you beat me to it. No, I meant which Rush song. But Jason beat me to it. I was trying to think of lyrics. Oh, I keep popping that. Every once in a while, this guy goes hardcore. I like it.
Quit being that way.
It feels channel-y.
Yeah, I like it. This fish is so hard.
No,
Kind
you're
of
not.
fighting like a channel, to be honest.
Yeah,
Doing a lot of rolling. Not a lot of 30 pounding.
Not a lot of 30 pounding.
We love them all though. Big or small.
big or small.
That thing is pissed. Ooh. Do they fight?
Yeah.
Pretty fast.
Wow, that's probably bigger than the other one.
That's a nice one. It's got the red face on it too.
Oh yeah, that's bigger than the last one. It's a pretty nice
There's your
tail.
master
Wow.
angler.
Yeah, that's a deep.
That's a master angler for sure.
Take a gander. Let's take a gander. Drop her on the. Oh, you gotta measure it.
Oh yeah.
Let's just see if it's even there.
It's gotta be.
I don't think it's 30. I think it's gonna be 29.
You can come in like a little more.
Yeah, you got room and pinch that tail.
There you go.
Yeah, it's 29, I bet.
It's gonna be 29.
You wanna get your other tape measure out?
Yeah.
It is one.
You gotta get the tape measure out of the top of
Oh,
that.
sure. You want this phone? It's for you. It's not gonna be there.
No, that's there.
Will you take a picture of that?
Oh, it came off.
Oh,
Dude.
we got bit while we weren't paying attention?
I turned around and the rod tip was underwater.
Oh no. Oh no.
Post reaction. Bye.
If you pinch that tail, you're good. Bye.
Slimy.
No. Catfish?
Yeah.
Scaly.
Bass? Can't believe how much they're giving that flopper the middle finger.
Ah.
Shocked.
Shocked?
Let me see that thing. No way, you?
Oh, you got it.
That really took me off guard that you got snagged up.
It's not normal for me.
Everyone's allowed one free mistake.
That's good. You'd be a little rough otherwise. Yeah, there's all sorts of crazy shit happening. Oh, got him.
Bass.
The boss.
How about that?
How about that? Black is a great color. Oh, rod, far right.
Yep. Hard right. Far as you can reach right. So it doesn't get into that other line. What's that? Yeah. Just need to get the grill out.
doing something.
No, they're tiny. Oh, no, wait.
Double?
I can't tell.
No, you're it's on.
Okay, so
Yours is a log.
one of us has a branch. One of us.
There's a branch and a fish?
Dad, can you take this rod? Tighten it up gently.
It looks like it from the
Here,
tail.
let's swing this over here and just drop it. We'll worry about that later.
Oh yeah, nice one. Is that a live bluegill?
No, it wasn't. It was on the outside. The live bluegill was the one next to it.
I can't believe we got two of them out of jams.
Right?
That's another fatty.
That's a nice fish. Not as big as the last one, but we'll take it happily.
Yeah.
It's a great fish. Bam. Biggity bam. That's a nice fish.
Should we weigh that one too?
You want to?
Yeah.
So
I get points for every flathead on the board.
it's like an 18-pounder.
like 18 to. What's it glaring?
Might be there. I think it's gonna be like 34.
Yeah, I mean you've been pretty right about everything else. $35.
35.
Nice. Great fish.
Yeah. Bye, dude.
Young master going back.
He's good.
There he goes. Wahoo.
Runs are nice and cold.
Yeah. Cold bun for a hot dog.
Fill me up.
Gliz me.
Gliz me. Merry Glizmas.
Consider yourself a glizzy king.
Me?
No, him.
Consider myself what to be Louis C.K.?
King of the Glizzies. The Glizzy King.
Yeah, Glizzy
Not
King.
Louis C.K.
The two sound similar. Glizzy King, Louis C.K. This is a good rock.
Honestly,
Jalapeno cheddar?
yeah.
Oh, I got a flathead.
Did you?
Yeah. On the jerkbait. I got a little flathead.
Ooh, I got something nice.
On the clickbait. Jason's got something on too. Probably a flathead.
Not on anymore.
Oh, I don't know. The ladybug from the clickbait series caught me a nice little baby flathead. Alright, first flathead or catfish at all on the clickbait series. Is that mine? Yeah. Oh, I got another big flathead on probably. I'll let this guy go. Was it pretty bent over? It was mine though?
I think it was just moving. Is this the rock bass?
Yeah, that's the rock bass.
Oh, it's just moving.
I just caught a flathead on this jerkbait.
Really?
Yeah,
A big one?
on the ladybug. A little guy. That's gonna be a fish though. Yeah, right?
I think it's just a fish moving.
It might actually be a flathead.
Oh yeah. On that current. On the channel. It's a nice one.
Not bad.
Do I get my bluegill back? No.
He worked it off the snag. It's still there. Changing directions?
Probably a channel.
That's mine way over yonder. Your green one's getting hit. Oh, that might be him on your line.
It's
Or
small.
the
I don't know if that's him on my line or not.
I don't think it is actually. Fish just surfaced next to me. It's like things just turned right on.
Oh.
Did you see it?
Oh yeah, it is stuck. Hold on.
Is that a channel?
Yeah, it's a little one.
I ran into my line. Or is it on mine or not? Is it on yours or mine?
It's on mine. Pretty sure. Oh
I
wait.
think it got caught up when your fish was coming in.
Yeah. Nice.
It's a chunker.
Yeah.
I'll do.
Get my finger, my cut open back up.
Walleye.
Whoa, on the harness?
Nice
That's
walleye.
a good walleye, yeah. Hot dog. That's not one of our harnesses, is it?
Nope, I don't have any more of ours.
No. Good fish.
way I reeled everything in.
Perfect timing.
Needed that.
Probably not. I have a feeling it's going to be a channel or a small flat. I'm over by the pole. Or I'm pretty close, I can see it. It's a channel.